anything from your smartwatch itself. You cannot only record, but you can record it without even letting the other person know that you are recording it. But you should be doing it in definite situation, not in every time. You should be letting other person know if you are recording something, but for your safety purposes this can be sometimes useful. So in this video I will be showing that how you can do that. Watch the video till the end, and if you are at says, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So if you are wearing any smartwatch, I am wearing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. I can do some gestures and open the recorder, and I don't need to touch the screen of the watch for this. So you can see the watch is just showing me the time, and if my watch is like this, I can do a gesture like this to open the recorder, and you can see it is opening the recorder app instantly. So to open the recorder I just need to do a gesture, and once the recorder is open, now you can see my watch is recording, and it is actually secretly recording everything over the voice or whatever is happening surrounding here. So to close the recording again, what I need to do is a gesture, and it will just stop the recording here. You can see the recording is paused now, and again to start I have to again do the same gesture and the recording will be start. So super easy to record anything or pause anything only by gestures, and you don't need to open any app. You just need to keep the watch like this and do a gesture like this and start recording. It's simple as that, and it works every time very well. So this is how you can record and do things secretly with the help of Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, and it's a game changer thing. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day.